All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, DLUX Motorsports. Today I'm excited to bring you this 2014 Chevrolet 1500 Crew Cab Z71 LT package. This is a truck that we just finished building. It was done with a 6-inch lift kit, 22x12 fuels, a set of 35 RTs. And I can tell y'all, dude, she's popping. If you've seen it in person, a very, very gorgeous truck. I'll go over a little bit more of the truck, and then you'll be able to jump directly on my website at www.DLUX-motorsports.com to get a full list of any of the upgrades and everything that was done to the truck. Again, 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. It is a crew cab truck, four-wheel drive, obviously. LT package finished off in power, everything, leather interior. One thing I do want to do to this truck, if I get time to do it before you guys buy it, I may go all white front end. White grill, white bumper. Geez, these trucks look good when they're all whited out in the front. One of my favorite. Leather interior still is in very good shape. You have some wear on the center console. The lid is replaceable. They make kits for it to be able to cover the leather back up. WeatherTech floor mats, front and rear. The back seats are in very, very good shape. They look almost like nobody's ever sat in them. Bumper's free of any dents. Or actually, there's one little mini right there. Other than that, the exterior of this truck is actually in very, very good shape. Like I said, minimal wear. Driver rear, passenger rear are in excellent, excellent shape. Barely have even been sat in. Floor mats, the carpets are still very nice underneath the new WeatherTech floor mats. I'll give you guys a shot of the driver's seat real quick. You got a little bit of wear right here. Very typical on very typical in Chevrolets when you get in and out of them. Full power seat option, WeatherTech's up front. Like I said, a little bit of wear right there on the driver's center console. No issues on the dash. The dash is very clean. Everything functions the way it should. No issues in the sense of mechanically inside the truck. I'll give you guys a shot of these wheels again. These are it's a new wheel from Field. It's a 22x12 concave. You see how it concaves right there in the middle? Still gives you tons of lip on it too. The tires are Renegade RTs. They come factory with a 45,000 mile tire warranty. So you got 45,000 miles on these tires, minimum warranty-wise. Again, just a gorgeous 2014 1500 Chevrolet. It's got just over 113,000 original miles. Virginia truck, no frame issues. The frame is very clean. Typical surface discoloration. It's never been undercoated. The frame's never been sprayed back to black or anything. No rust whatsoever in the aspect of, you know, if you were up in Maine or Pennsylvania or New York. This was a Virginia truck. Most of your Virginia stuff is going to be very consistent to what this truck looked like. Give you guys a couple more shots real quick. I'll try to see if I can find any damage. I don't think there was really, maybe one or two small spots on the whole truck. There's one little spot right here on the tailgate. As you can see right there, it's a little tiny dent and then a small touch-up spot. This truck was just lifted, so you don't have a bunch of rock chipping on the bottom, like on the bottom of the driver's side door or passenger side door. The headlights have a little bit of discoloration. They tried to paint the Chevy emblem white. It's a very average job. If I get time, I'm gonna white the whole front end out. These trucks look really, really good with a whole white front end. I don't know about you guys, but you guys drop a comment below. Let me know if you guys like the new wheels from Fuel, finished off in candy red. Let's freaking go. Anyway, 2014 Chevrolet 1500 Crew Cab, four-wheel drive, LT model, loaded up. If you guys have any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. Chat. And if you guys haven't already, in the bottom right corner of this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn that bell notification on, so that way you guys know when we go live and when we post videos of trucks just like this. We do sell some of these fast. We sell nationwide. We ship nationwide to your doorstep. A truck like this, for instance, all the way to California, would cost you around $1,000 to your door. So a lot of guys that we sell to out of state sometimes opt to just have them shipped right to them. Any other questions? Drop us an email at DLUXmotorsports@gmail.com or visit us on our website, www.DLUX-motorsports.com. Of course, all of our socials are the exact same. If you guys want to follow us on Instagram, it's another place I post the trucks right away. The Instagram is DLUX_motorsports. Again, until next time, It's your boy Mark, DLUX Motorsports. See you then. Let's go.